Hi, come on in.
My name's Richard and I'm a research scientist.
And my name's Maria and I'm a nurse.
We live in a 4-bedroomed house with cavity wall insulation.
Detached, built in 1971. I have a friend who had built their house in the last 5 years, and they would put in an air source heat pump at the beginning, and we had seen how it worked, and it was, had some conversations with them, didn't we, about it. And when we were planning the building works, we considered it as a future, so we wouldn't have to do anything again to make sure that we can stay here for as long as we need to. And we were planning on the extension. We discussed about the air source heat pump. I wasn't entirely sure about it. I still don't fully understand how it works, I'll be perfectly frank, but I do know that there's no difference on the heating. It's not very noisy. It's been a good investment for the future, so we won't have to worry about it again because we've got all that maintenance and service.
And also because we no longer have gas in the house, we're reducing our carbon footprint. We've got solar panels, and it's just knowing that we're making a good contribution to the environment.
Doing our bit.
Wanted to get more efficient radiators to get more heat out, so we did take the additional plunge and replace all the radiators at once. They changed 11 radiators in a day or a day and a half. So
The actual installation was what?
yeah, about
3
2 days.
Yeah.
The Mitsubishi EcoDan, because they're relatively new refrigerant in it that had a much lower environmental impact than the old CFCs that they were using. It was situated about half a metre away from the wall, so that there was no residual noise inside the house, and even when you walk past it, it's just like
Very quiet.
it's just like a big fan blowing. In fact, it's quite good in the summer because it's some really cold air.
Yeah.
Also a hot water tank with dual immersion system, so that then when the solar panels are generating electricity over and above what we need in the house, it's automatically diverted to heat the hot water.
As a cost benefit.
The company that we bought it from, they offered an agreement for the maintenance, so we pay a monthly amount, and then that covers call out and an annual service every year.